So what's up everyone, today I'm back with another video. So today we have the Redmi 5A over here, and it's quite late actually to unbox the Redmi 5A as it was launched too long ago. So I've got it recently and I've been using it. So today let's unbox it and use it. So before starting the video, this is your host Sharon here and welcome to today's video. So let us get started with our today's video. So let us look at the box actually. So here we have over here the branding Redmi 5A, and here over here we have the Redmi 5A same. And let us also look at the specs. It has a dual SIM. It supports dual SIM, and it has 12.7 centimeter display, which means a 5-inch display, HD display, and it has a 13 megapixel rear camera, and it has a separate micro SD card and a Snapdragon 425 processor, so which is actually quite good for in the price range. So this is actually a gold color one, which is a 2GB and 2GB of RAM and 16GB internal storage variant. And here we have all the other features over here. So it says the same everything. So it has a custom MI UI. So I'll be opening this up, and also this box says that it's made in India, but actually it's just technical assembled in India. So I'm gonna open it up. So it's just sticking so hardly. So the phone was actually dropped accidentally, so let us boot it up, and in the meantime let us just look at the contents in the box. So here is the paperwork and all the manual and all. So here goes all, and we have a micro USB to USB cable over here, and this power adapter over here. So it's good. It says its output is 5 volt and 1 amp, but that's not fast enough for charging. So let's just put them out in this. So this phone is actually a good budget phone in the price range of 6,500, so 6K range. So here's the phone. So here we have it. So actually I've been using it from quite a few days, so it's running quite good, and some pre-installed apps also come with this. So which are the normally the tool ones, and then we also have the compass feature in this. So I've like calibrated it, so you can see over here it shows the compass, which works quite good. And we have the scanner over here. So through which we can scan QR codes, and also we can scan the documents, which is a quite good feature. And let us look over the other apps. So it has a screen recorder in it, and it runs on the MI UI, so it looks quite good. And it came with some weather app, and then some apps like Amazon, Facebook, PhonePe, Netflix, and NewsPoint. So it also has some Microsoft apps over here, which are some office apps, and then Skype. So we installed some benchmark apps in this. So we could also run the benchmark through these apps. So this is the Antutu benchmark tool. So through this I've done some tests and found it was quite good. So it supports 10 touches at once, and then I've also run the stress test in which its performance was quite good. And I think it actually consumes a lot of RAM, because every time I see it would have less RAM available over here. So here you can see it has a 51% RAM free. So it has a MI remote one, which is common in all the MI my mobiles, so through which you can use IR feature. So let us go to the CPU app. So here you can see it shows 4 cores and all the specs and CPUs and the clock speed over here. So you can view the CPU load and the GPU everything, and it shows the hardware details, and this is system details. The Android version is running on, it's actually running on a Nougat, and the battery also it runs quite good. It has a 3000 mAh battery, and this is all the thermal settings, and it shows all about the sensors. So the sensors everything works quite good and everything. And I'll also show you some hardware samples, like I'll put some camera samples in the middle of the video, and let us go to YouTube and then see the hardware, the speaker sounds. So actually the display is also quite good. So here we have the speakers over here. That's actually quite good sound over there. The speakers are very good, and I'll also show you some samples of the camera, and let us talk about the phone more. So the camera, it works quite good. So I've tried some camera samples, and in which the camera samples I found that using the HDR feature we can capture great photos, and the phone was so cool. So here is a video sample in the Redmi 5A, and it records the videos in HD and Full HD. So this is a Full HD sample, and we can also adjust sort of brightness and all. So, and you can also hear the microphone sample, and it records quite good. It just sort of stabilizes the video, which does not show any shaky things. So the video stabilization is also good. It's not that bad, and the video is quite satisfactory in the Redmi 5A. So this is a video sample from the front camera, and you can see how it looks. I've also noticed that it just focuses quite good. You can see over here I'm focusing on this thing, and also it now I'll try to focus over on the background. See, it works quite good. I've noticed that the camera in this Redmi 5A is very good. I really like the blur effect it creates. So you can see it just blurs out the background very good. So this is the sample. The display is quite good, and it supports HD display. See, you can see 720 over here, and the phone is quite good actually. It's a quite good budget phone we can use. So overall I would say that Redmi 5A is a very good budget phone, and Xiaomi has been releasing many budget phones at a price range of 6500. Redmi 5A is very good, and I think the Redmi 6 and the 6 6 is coming in the price I mean it's gonna release very soon, and I think it would also be good, but we don't know actually how good it is unless we would use it. So overall I would say that Redmi 5 is a very good phone. So I would say that it's very awesome phone, and I don't think that it's that good for gaming, so I did not try gaming in it. So if you guys want, I'll make a detailed video. So that's it guys, so that was the overall review of the Redmi 5A. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, please do give a like, and if you have any opinions and if you need anything else, just comment it down below in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel for more updates. So thank you for watching the video. So this is your host Sharan signing off.
We can make a wildfire getaway.